Oh yeah, big salmon, Alaskan, check this out, salmon. Oh, beautiful salmon. Oh, I'm gonna pull it out, I'm gonna show you. This is huge, 30-pound salmon. I'll show you. Let's pull it out, let's see how it's looking, after cooking. How it's looking after cooking. Oh, beautiful. See? Let's grab it. Oh. Beautiful salmon. See? Oh. See, beautiful salmon, looking so amazing. Everything okay, guys? We still alive? But salmon looking so beautiful. See, the alarm turned off. Salmon looking so amazing. Oh, we're gonna eat this, everybody. See, tail, very nice tail. Fish looking awesome. Like that. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And check out, please check out more videos of us cooking. We really appreciate that. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye. See, oh, alarm turned off. See? We okay, guys. We okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Seafood, we cook seafood very good. Thank you. Bye-bye. See, look, close up. Close up, we show you close up of the fish. Look. This is head, see head. Oh. See, look. Oh man. Oh. So delicious. Oh. I like it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.